Yeah,
You can't go wrong. You need a card to go with it. Look, it sits really good on there.
I'll tell him put give Start Me a tab right at the bar there.
Yeah, and Nick.
Yeah. What's going on, everybody? It's Jamie and welcome to the channel Thrift on Fire. On today's video, we're going to be hitting some garage sales. It's a Saturday morning and it's back to garage sale season. I'm pretty excited about it. And you know what? It was actually a lot of fun. I've been getting kind of bored of this. You know, thrift stores are always fun, but you kind of know what to expect. If you were just there a few days ago, you're just kind of looking for new stuff. The good about Vans is great. It's cheap. But you gotta dig, and you know, sometimes you don't find stuff, and then sometimes when you bring it home you realize it's maybe not as good as you thought. They are great ways to source, don't get me wrong, but there's just nothing like yard sailing. It's a lot of fun. This morning I got out with my wife for about an hour before I had to take her to work, and then I continued on for another hour and a half or so. But check it out, let's see what I found.
Good morning.
How you doing?
Great.
Good morning.
Morning. Felix the cat.
Ooh, Felix.
Yeah, he's cool.
Oh my god. What? Oh, put that on your side, please. Thank you.
You get a bowl like this, you gotta fill it right up, eh?
I'm trying to figure out with what.
Punch.
Oh dear, I hold my phone.
Oh wow. You haven't seen this one the last time?
What? Oh.
Yeah, I was keeping the good stuff out. Until later.
Oh, look at
Is there no glove? No.
No, that's a right.
It's a right-handed.
Yeah, right. Famous last words.
Yes.
Oh, he's cool too.
Oh yeah, he is cool.
2000. What are these little guys? Are they all Winnie the Poohs? They're dressed up.
Yep. No, that's cute.
Do you know what the glass lanterns up there? How much you want for any of those?
Give me $5 for both.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I mean, sure.
That's not a bad deal at all, eh?
No, not at all.
I like it.
No, they're
What did you want for the for these guys?
No, for steel.
Oh, that's what I.
For steel, yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I'll pass on that.
Steve? I'm gonna say, I don't know, for the game and that $5 for all of it there.
For all three of them?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. I'll grab the, or you actually can
can
grab
grab
those
them for you,
lanterns for me? Yeah. Okay. Let me see. Oh, I'm sorry. That's okay. Let's see this guy. Yeah, these are cool. I don't know the first thing about
Used to take
lamps.
mom's stuff to shopping and to get next to nothing.
Oh, yeah.
The dolls she collected.
I know. Sometimes the auctions can be bad that way.
Scratch dolls, whatever, $1 for one.
Oh,
yeah,
no.
that's crazy, eh?
Yeah. Good morning.
Good morning. How are ya?
Good, and you?
Good. Might as well do my reading, right?
Yeah, why not? Oh, SimCity. I wonder what this map is from.
Good morning. Okay, good. What caught your eye?
Surveys and
What's that?
surveys and of what? Oh, there's Delhi. Oh, it's just like land parcels.
Okay.
Simcoe.
That'd be cool for like potentially in the booth for like local people though. That's
There's a whole
Simcoe.
bunch of maps in here.
Yeah. Cool. Let's see what she wants for them.
And they've got these along the sides,
I
right?
wonder what the other places are. Anyway,
To be adjustable.
what? Where did you find these?
I found it in the rafters in the basement.
Oh, we found in the in a house that we had once, like St. John's Ambulance, big like human skeleton things, medical charts that obviously somebody who'd owned the house before left up there. It was crazy. They were cool.
Yeah,
Do you-
well, that's kind of cool too, but it's, you know, it's just kind of sitting there getting old.
Do you know what you'd want for them? I don't. There's a few in there, right?
I think, yeah, there's two.
Two of them in there?
I think $1.
Oh, okay, yeah, I'll definitely take them.
Perfect.
So I thought I'd show you these a little bit better. This was rolled up inside of the maps here. So this is, I think they're surveys, right? The year, I believe, His rates here 1956, which makes sense because she said they were up the attic. This is Port Burwell. It says adjacent to, and it shows different towns that it's near. This is also Port Burwell. I don't know, this one looks to be a little bit newer. Let me throw that up top there as well. So 2 Port Burwells for some reason. Then we have Brantford, Ontario. Okay. Same type of map here. Date 56 as well. And then we have the one we see on the outside, Simcoe, Ontario. They're cool.
Where are they mapped out?
This one's Simcoe. I haven't looked at the other ones, but it's like you can see Delhi to the side.
Yeah, they're quite nice. I mean, even if you know,
Simcoe.
some people like to put them in a frame and hang.
Yeah,
them
that's exactly what I would do with them for sure.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but we haven't opened it in 40 years, so.
Hey, well, there you go. We'll get some good out of it. Yeah, golf stuff, eh? Old golf stuff, jeez.
Not good on the shelf?
I don't know anything about this type of golf, but like wooden handle golf clubs are collectible.
Yeah.
Like that one.
Okay.
What does it say? JB Gorman Deluxe. Huh?
What is your
Like this one's missing.
$5 for all.
This one's missing that. Will they be collectible, right? But
These two are. I don't want to drag it back in.
yeah. Those are some old ones, wooden golf clubs you don't see too often.
I know, but they've been in the rafters too, and I know people like them for like toasting marshmallows, roasting marshmallows.
Oh, really?
And hot dogs,
Okay.
you know,
Yeah.
if you have like camping out or anything like that.
Yeah.
And I think some are left-handed.
Yeah,
But whatever, yeah, they're not good for the golf course, but they
No,
have other uses.
I think people display some of them too. Like
Oh,
if
for
you're
sure.
into golfing, right?
For sure. Like you probably wouldn't want to display these. Well, unless you. But,
It's hard to say.
Yeah, but definitely they're old.
Oh, cameras. Oops. Nikon. Were these yours or?
Yeah,
Yeah.
they were ours. Or our kids. Yeah, they were all ours.
They probably haven't been used in a day or two, I'm sure.
No, they haven't been. Everybody uses their phone, right?
Yeah.
I still use them. I have another one I use. It's a little newer.
Oh, that's cool. What do you want for them?
I think I marked
Is
it.
this
Everything
one-
in this box, $1 each.
$1 each. Oh, this one's no, it's not digital. $1 each. Okay, I'll take those two. Here you go. I'll just give you 5. That's okay.
Oh,
I'm still
appreciate
getting.
it.
Oh, I'm getting a great deal. So.
do you want something else? Like a thing?
No, I appreciate it. Thank you.
Oh, I appreciate. Yeah, thank you very much.
Yeah. Whoa, look at this old Tweety bird.
Oh my god. Super old.
Yeah. Without a tag sometimes. I mean, with that big bird I sold didn't have a tag.
Yep. He's really cool.
He is cute. It's a cool duck.
Oh yeah, he's cool.
Is this a cassette tape rewinder?
Yes. Cool, eh?
Yeah, that is a
That's
cool
worth $1
one.
million now.
It might be. It might be worth $1 million.
Oh, VHS rewinder, yeah.
Wow.
Right?
Yeah,
See
and
how old we are.
yeah,
You remember that, huh?
yeah, exactly. I think she's gonna grab this pot, and I wasn't sure. I looked at your Tweety bird over here when I came in. What do you want for him?
Oh, Tweety bird.
Tweet, tweet.
Uh,
How about $2?
yeah, sure.
In that range. Okay.
Yeah, and then your pot, right? Great, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you. This is a really nice church also.
Here it is. Wow. Those are cool looking.
Good morning.
Morning. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Good.
Is it here? Okay, good. Oh, we're gonna get there. It's
I have been for quite a while.
Good, you?
I know.
It's $2. Awesome, thank you. How much do you want for your reindeer family here?
$2.
Okay, yeah, for sure. Yeah, I'll grab them. They're cool.
Yeah, we had them out for years. They're great.
Yeah, I just spray paint them and
Yeah.
change the color whenever you want.
Yeah. Yep.
Thank you.
couldn't buy the metal for that.
I know.
Yeah. Thank you. They're probably gonna. My wife owns Tranquility on Broadway.
Yeah.
They're gonna wind up in the window for Christmas for sure.
cute.
So
They're great looking.
yeah, yeah.
decorations.
Yeah.
She's got a whole bunch of like very earthy kind of stuff, and I'm like, oh, like this is be perfect with all that.
Well,
So
and she could do them green, like the hunter greeny color that the sign is, or whatever.
Yeah.
Or brown even, or
yep,
yeah, it's perfect.
that's
Yeah,
awesome.
yeah, reusing, right?
Yeah. So if you see them there, you'll know where they came
Yeah,
from.
exactly.
Thank you.
Kind of want to get rid of stuff. No big dollar things or anything, but that's yard sales, right? Yeah. Yeah. Well, this is my granddaughter and my great granddaughter, and so we're doing it together.
Her great granddaughter.
Yeah, I'm Beppa. So. Yeah, you too. I know. You know, that's what I was saying. Real McCoy Crocs.
Yeah.
Real
Size.
McCoy means that they're the real thing, not just a knockoff.
Yep. Yeah, they're cool. Grab them.
$15. It's a good deal.
Yep. What do you want for the kids or and this guy here?
Oh, you better. You
I
want to?
can go ask my mom.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay,
Hey.
you want to do 20 for all?
Yeah, I could
Or
do
give me,
that.
what are you thinking?
No, I think 20's okay. Yep.
I bought those shoes at a Jays game. I had to have them. I wore them at the Jays game, and then my feet hurt so bad, I never wore them again. Thank you.
So my wife got the same pair,
Yeah.
but she got size 8.5 or something because
Yeah.
that's all they had left, and she squeezed in them, wore them once, and then got rid of them.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think these
Yeah.
ones would actually, because she's really because you find they fit small, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So I bet you these would fit her. Yeah.
Yeah, they fit really small. And
this you've had for a day or two by the looks of it.
Yeah, yeah. She's an oldie.
Yeah.
I don't even know how old, to be honest, but
What's this in, I don't know, 1990 maybe? I don't know.
hard to tell for sure.
It's cool.
I was
Definitely cool.
You weren't alive, yeah.
No,
She doesn't know much
before your
about
time.
that. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's missing the pocket.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, at the very bottom. We're talking smoker here.
And it didn't have the.
At the very bottom.
Oh, I see. Oh, it has the strap. Oh, it has the strap.
Yeah, it has a strap.
Good morning.
Morning.
Just went. Ah, yeah.
Oh, the barbecue. That's one of a kind. I don't think there's another one on the market. A friend of ours got together and invented it.
Okay.
And they were going to patent it, but he gave me the trial run.
Oh, no way.
So I haven't seen anything on the market, so I don't think they can patent it. It's
Oh yeah, St. Catherine's website. Yeah, I've never seen anything quite like that before.
So it could be one of, actually, it might be valuable, one of a kind.
Maybe.
Or patent it myself.
Yeah, I mean, I'm grab it. I'll probably never see it again, right?
Yeah.
$6.
Yep.
Got a loony or something in here. Perfect. Can't go wrong there.
Thank you very much.
What do you?
Enjoy your day.
You two. What do you got on the Ninja thing here?
Well, this here, I don't know if you're handy. The part in here started to smoke.
Oh yeah.
So we did give it away if someone's handy to fix it or if they need parts.
Yeah.
And this is just parts for that.
Oh, okay.
So if they have their own
parts.
Ninja or buy another one of these, they can have parts.
It's got the glass tub in it.
I'm
Still?
not sure. What the hell is it on here? Oh, there we go.
Oh yeah, it's got a couple of these things, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everything that's there.
And what do you want for that?
What'd she say? $5.
Okay. Yeah, I'll take it just for those, but.
Okay. All right.
I mean, I'll take this to get it out of your way, but I probably don't want it either.
Okay.
I ain't fixing it.
All right.
So $5, right?
$5.
Okay. Sure. Oh, thought I had another 5. I'll trade you. Look at that.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, you get all 6 for $30.
Yeah.
6 of them.
Oh, I think that's, yeah, you're right behind Warner and Hill.
Right? Yeah, it's a brand new bag. The only problem is, and I'll tell you, it's got my name on it.
Let's see. Oh yeah.
And you can't take it off. My son bought it for me because he worked at Copper Creek. He's a golfer.
Oh.
Yeah.
He got it for me, but I can't use it because I don't walk anymore. I ride.
Okay.
When it's on the golf cart or whatever.
It doesn't matter.
No.
You only want $20 for it though?
It's great. It's a $200 bag.
Yeah, I can see that.
Yeah. $20. I can't use it.
Yeah.
I can't use it. So if you don't mind my name,
No.
just tell him you're Nick.
Yes, sir. Yeah,
You can't go wrong. You need
I'll
a
tell
card to
him.
go with it. Look, it sits really good on there.
I'll tell him give start me a tab right at the bar there.
Yeah, and Nick. You would think they'd have it so you could slide it out, eh?
Yeah.
Inside.
That's not that big of a deal to me
Just
for
cover
sure.
it up.
It's nice bag. Yeah, it's
It's brand.
It's never been used.
yeah, crazy.
It's a great deal.
Yes, sir. Well, I appreciate
You
it.
need a cart with it too. I already sold this one. I got one more left.
Yeah, no, I don't need a cart, but those are nice for sure.
I bought the buffet one.
Oh yeah.
Did you see the buffet?
I've seen him. I've seen him before. Yeah.
He's there because I use a cart, right?
Yep. Yeah, those are awesome.
Yeah, that's why I don't need it.
But yeah, I appreciate this. Thank
You
you.
got a steal there, buddy.
Yes, sir. Thank you. So I'm editing this on our vacation here, our mini getaway to Pittsburgh. It was actually a really good yard sale day. I was happy with the result. That guy pretty much gave me the bag for $20, which is a great deal. Got it listed on eBay, or sorry, got it listed on Facebook Marketplace. I don't know what I was thinking, eBay. And right away I had somebody say, hey, I seen that bag at a yard sale this weekend for $20. I'm just like, come on, dude. Regardless, I did get it listed for $250 on Facebook Marketplace. I think it'll sell really quickly. You know, maybe if I only get $200, I'll be happy with that. But if you guys like videos like this, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing for more content. And we'll see you real soon, hopefully with some more garage sale content.